So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going out for some walk in the town, so which you'll know in the later part of the video. So continue watching and stay tuned. So guys, I'm going from the bike, so I have to make even this bike, so that's the first work I'm going to do. So let's go. We're at the bike garage now, so I'm here to repair the bike. So they said it will take time, so I'm just waiting for the bike to repair, and after that I'll go to bank and apply for my ATM card since it was lost, so I have to go and reapply for the ATM card. So after the bike is repaired, I'll go there, so stay tuned. And now let me just show you the garage, the bike garage, the location. This is the bike garage. It's in Nampoto. If you want to repair your bikes, you can come here. It's in Nampoto. So this is the location.
They have spare parts for almost all the bikes, so you can just come here and do the servicing and bearings. It's in Ampoto near Woodland School.
So guys, bike servicing is done. So let's go to the bank and apply for my ATM since I lost it. And after that we'll go for repairing shop to repair my AirPods. So let's go. So second thing I have to do is I have to reapply for the ATM since I lost it. So I'm going to the bank. So see you there. So guys, bank work is done. So now I have to go to the repairing shop to repair my AirPods. So let's go.
So my bank work is done and I have a last thing to do. Let's go to the repairing shop. But I just came here in the cafe to drink a cup of coffee. So this is how the cafe looks like. So let me just show you the inside and outside view of the cafe. So this is how the cafe look from inside. This is the outside view. So it's cloudy. I guess it's going to rain. So I have to get back home early before it rains since I'm with the bike. But before that, let me just have my cup of coffee.
So guys, I'm back home. It started raining on the midway, so I couldn't make the video. So it's still raining. Let me just show you. Still raining. See. So I couldn't make video. Now, so let's see what's next after I get home. It's just nearby. Peace. So guys, I've finally reached my room. It's so messy right now since I was in Dimapur and it was not properly cleaned. So uh, I've reached home, and yeah, I think that will do for today. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and do follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Peace.